One Ollie. Dun, 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 dun. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, everyone. How are you? Today I've got a bonus Ollie. Here he is. I didn't know he was coming until last night. Anyway,
That's style.
Yeah, well, that's good though. This is good. We're going to go and grab some big bits of granite from over there with the digger, and then we're going to bring them over here, and we are going to form a step by the big set of doors here, kind of like that, but on a bigger scale. Wish us luck.
Cheers.
Spent about half an hour pulling all of these pieces out behind me, but I can't really make them work properly in this space here. And I'll tell you why. We have one central piece here. It's got two very, very nice defined edges. So you would go and say, right, that's going to be the central one. Each piece either side of that needs to be 135 centimeters. Now, unfortunately, none of these are 135 centimeters, apart from the center one. So I would have to cut the edges off, and I don't really want to do that, because take a look at how lovely these things are. Look at the little notches where, you know, this would have been a door, and the doorstop would have gone into here, and so I don't really want to cut and lose any of these features. Look at this one. You can see where a bolt has been on the door and it's swung open. Either that, or they've chopped out a little bit just to let the water run out. I don't want to lose those things, and I would if I installed them here. So what are we going to do? Well, we are going to rob Peter to pay Paul, as they say, and we are going to take these stones off of here and use those instead. Now, it's not the end of the world, because we have an issue with this wall, and you see there's a big crack forming and the whole wall is cleaving away. I'll try and hold it plumb so you can see. So that wall is on the move, and it was on my list of things that I had to do, so I'm going to have to demolish it and rebuild it. At that point, I might as well take the stone now and use it over there, and then when I rebuild this, I can then take the rescue stone from over in the big pile and use it then. the 18s that we've got, but that's not the end of the world. Not a drama at all. Beautiful skip.
Happy days.
They're in there. They're going to be in there. Sit in there, maybe. Look, I've just gone and got it messy again. Silly me.
Very close to the camera, mate. You'll see that when you go to edit, when you swung it around.
Oh yeah, it'll work. Samash. So if you want to cut me a piece at 155. Is the kettle on, dear?
Oh, I'll go sit on, mate.
Yeah, I reckon. Chuck this on and then it's lunch. Good.
Would you need like a 2x4 or like?
No, our runners.
So like batten, but
Here, please, bud. You should have another wheelbarrow around here somewhere.
yeah, I'll go for it.
A bit of timber that we can lay across here to sledge onto. Yeah, we are. We're set, I think. Right, to do. And there's some gloves here as well, young man.
Cool.
Right, hang on. Right, okay, ready? you just lift your end up. Okay. That's it. Yeah, I want you to swing over just a little bit more so it's not tipping. That's it, yeah. Now I'm gonna lift, you pull that one out. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So, in and over. You ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Right. You need to just go a bit more this way. So just hold on to that so it doesn't bounce around. And you can just love that. Alright? Right, that should have gone off. So what we're going to do, we're going to take this one out. Yeah. Stand back and I'll show you why. You can see that it's good, but then you've got a gap here that needs to drop down, and that whole thing, we need to take those two out, lock it down, and we're going to be... One, two, three. Lovely.
Got the gold.
Radiant's got the gold.
But aliens. But they give us the gold.
Yeah, and give it a little love tap. Ready? Have your ears, Max. 1, 2, 3.
Is this house finished?
It's been 1 year since Grandad and I emptied the barn. Last week.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah. Right, let's pack everything up.
Wow.
What do you think, Max? Everybody, take a look at that. I'm a happy boy. What do you guys think?
Good. Superb.
Yeah.
What?
As always, Ollie, thanks, pal.
Right, mate.
Ow!
Jason.
Like and subscribe and hype. Ow! Bye bye.